Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring the best travel bags to keep your essentials secure and easy to access on the go. From sleek carry-ons to spacious duffels and backpacks, these travel bags offer style, practicality, and comfort for any journey. Ready to upgrade your travel gear? Let's dive in. And as always, all product links are in the description below.
Number 5 Osprey Farpoint Backpack. Embark on your next adventure with confidence and convenience, courtesy of the Osprey Farpoint for OL Men's Travel Backpack. Designed for the modern traveler seeking both functionality and comfort, this backpack offers unparalleled organization, sustainability, and versatility. Adjustable torso fit. Experience customized comfort with the Osprey Farpoint 40L's adjustable torso fit. Whether you're tall or short, this feature ensures a snug and secure fit, minimizing strain and discomfort during extended periods of wear. External gear attachment loops. Never be without your essential gear. The Farpoint for OL comes equipped with external gear attachment loops, allowing you to easily secure additional equipment or accessories to the exterior of the backpack for quick access. Padded top and side handles. Enjoy added convenience with padded top and side handles, providing comfortable grab points for easy lifting and maneuvering. Number for Topo Design's Global Travel Bag. When it comes to travel, having the right bag can make your journey smoother and more enjoyable. The Topo Design's Global Travel Bag 30L is not just a bag. It's your ideal one-bag travel companion. Designed with sustainability, functionality, and versatility in mind, this travel bag offers a range of features that make it perfect for your adventures. Topo Designs is committed to sustainability, and this bag reflects that commitment. It's constructed using recycled materials, including 100D recycled nylon for 100D recycled nylon to 10D recycled nylon and 1680D recycled ballistic nylon. These materials not only reduce environmental impact, but also contribute to the bag's durability and longevity. Thoughtful design. The bag boasts a foam structure with a padded recycled ballistic nylon back panel, ensuring both comfort and durability during your travels. It features a U-shape entry to the large main compartment, making packing and accessing your belongings a breeze. Internal mesh organization pockets help you stay organized on the go. Versatile carrying options. One of the standout features of the Topo Designs Global Travel Bag 30L is its three-way carry options. Number 3 Osprey Sojourn Porter. When it comes to travel, having the right backpack can make all the difference in terms of convenience and comfort. The Osprey Sojourn Porter for 6L is more than just a backpack. It's a versatile and durable travel companion designed to enhance your journey. Sustainable and high-quality materials, the Osprey Sojourn Porter for 6L is built to last with heavy-duty Blue Sign approved, recycled high tenacity, and ballistic materials. These materials are not only eco-friendly, but also exceptionally durable, ensuring that your backpack can withstand the rigors of travel for years to come. Comfortable and breathable back panel. One of the standout features of this backpack is the AirScape back panel. It not only provides comfort during long journeys, but also keeps you cool and dry, even in warmer climates. The tuck-away harness and hip belt add to the comfort, ensuring that you can carry your load with ease. Efficient compression system. The Osprey Sojourn Porter for 6L features a unique straitjacket compression system. This system not only provides extra padding to protect your belongings, but also allows you to securely compress your items. Number 2 Peak Design Travel Backpack. When it comes to travel, having the right backpack can make all the difference. The Peak Design Travel Backpack for 5L is a game changer in the world of travel gear. With innovative features and impressive capacity, it's redefining the way you pack and carry your essentials. Reimagined organization. One of the standout features of this backpack is its reimagined organization. Thanks to rigid sidewalls and a full back panel load, packing has never been this organized. You can bid farewell to the days of struggling to find your items in a cluttered backpack. Separate your gear. The Peak Design Travel Backpack for 5L comes with a zippered dividing panel that allows you to separate the bag into two compartments or merge them into one, depending on your needs. This versatility ensures that you can keep your gear neatly organized, whether you're traveling for business or leisure. Impressive capacity, meeting international max carry-on standards on most major carriers in its default 3.5L configuration, this backpack offers ample space for your belongings. But that's not all. With dual expansion zippers, you can gain an extra 1 OL of volume, bringing the total storage capacity to a whopping for 5L. Say goodbye to packing struggles and hello to stress-free travel. Laptop carry. For those who need to stay connected on the go, the Peak Design Travel Backpack for 5L has you covered. It provides quick access to your tablet and laptop through the main back zip, ensuring that you can breeze through airport security and stay productive during your travels. Perfect form. Worried about your backpack losing its shape? With grab handles on each side of the bag, you can easily lift and handle it without compromising its form. It's a small but significant detail that adds to the overall convenience of this backpack. Syncs with accessories. Photography enthusiasts will love this backpack even more. It seamlessly syncs with camera cubes sold separately. Number 1 Cotopaxi Allpa 35L Backpack. When it comes to adventure travel, having the right backpack can make all the difference. The Cotopaxi Allpa 35L Backpack is here to redefine your travel experience. Designed with meticulous attention to detail and customer feedback, this second-generation Allpa travel pack is the ultimate companion for those who seek durability, convenience, and style in their journeys. Durable construction. The Allpa shell is crafted from a blend of robust materials, including TPU-coated 100D polyester and 840D ballistic nylon paneling. This combination ensures that your backpack can withstand the rigors of travel, whether you're hiking through the wilderness or navigating bustling airports. Comfortable carry. Cotopaxi has incorporated their weight-distributing, low-profile harness system into this backpack. It's the same system used in their backpacking packs, providing you with a comfortable and balanced carrying experience. Contoured shoulder straps and a removable hip belt enhance comfort and convenience. Plus, an adjustable sternum strap and a breathable, flexible air mesh back panel make your journey even more comfortable. Smart organization. The Cotopaxi Allpa 35L Backpack is designed for efficient and organized packing.